freaking sick. TD04. Hello guys, welcome back to SS Performance. Today we're changing the CT9 turbo to a TD04, and it's here for mapping as well. We're going to crack on with the video. It's pretty straightforward. I'll do some steps so you can do it at home as well. Let's get straight in. Okay, so we're going to take the charge pipe off first. There's 2 bolts in this. I already took one out, as you can see. Set the other one out. It's 13mm, but it could be different on yours, so I'm going to just take this off so there's more room. Now we're going to crack these 14mm nuts. There should be 4 on the top and 2 below, so we're going to just crack the 4 first. Maybe use WD-40 if yours is pretty rusty like this, so easy to get off without snapping. Rounded off, so we've got a pair of mile grips, and we cracked it already, so it should be loose now, as you can see. It does round off. It's normally a 14, but the 14 socket doesn't fit on it. So you get a pair of mile grips, and you should be able to crack it. You need a lot of force on it. Make sure you get the flat type mile grips so they don't slip. It should be easy to crack them. As you can see, it moves. So, just a little tip for you. After 5 minutes with the mole grips, so I got the nut off, we will supply a new nut for the customer. And you're going to get the oxygen sensor off the downpipe to the exhaust. So you unplug it from here. You don't need to take the nut out, so take it out from here. Now you just let this dangle down here, it'll be fine, don't worry about it getting damaged. So now everyone, we're going to take these 2 coolant pipes off. As you can see, I'm pointing at them. Make sure you get something to catch the coolant if you want to reuse the coolant. So we'll just take these off. It will take 2 minutes. As you can see, it's 2 clips here. That clip there, and that clip right there. So got one of the coolant pipes off. One came off easy. This one will not come off. So I got the one off the head. Just pulls off. It's more easy to get to. You can do them ones, but that one's pretty easy to get to, and it should drain into the whatever you drain it into pretty easily. So underneath the manifold there should be a nut underneath. You just get the ratchet. I can't get the camera under here, but you should be able to see it. You can feel it with your hand. It's just right down here. You just get a ratchet and a little extension. As you use a shallow one, I would. And it just cracks really easy off. That's it. So I drain the oil out of this, then I tighten it back up. As you can see, the oil's been drained. Looks alright, the oil does. Then we're going to take the 3 bolts for the exhaust, and then I'll show you what else you got to take off after. So now the exhaust is off. It should dangle because it's on the mounts, as you can see. And we just got to take this pipe off, the oil return pipe, and the banjo bolt for the oil feed. So when you take that oil return pipe out, some oil will drip, so make sure you have something to catch it, as we already have. Then we're going to take that oil feed pipe off. It's normally a 19 socket, so just take that off, and then there's 1 bolt holding the manifold in. It should pull off. Now when you take the oil field pipe off, some oil will drain out of it, so make sure you have something to catch it as well. And with this bolt, make sure if it focuses, these washers you do not lose. There's two. This one goes onto the top and this one sits in the bolt, just to seal the oil. If it focuses, seal the oil. Make sure you do not lose them. Make sure put this in a safe spot, or you can put it back onto the oil feed housing. So I'm going to put that back on so we don't lose it. So now I took the last nut out while I was holding the manifold. Now it should pull off. Make sure nothing's in the way or getting damaged. As this sensor here, but it'll be fine. And it just pulls out like that. It's pretty easy to take the manifold out, and you guys at home can do it.
You've got permission just to smack him.
I think that's ripped some skin off as well.
I felt that. There we go. Let's get the nut in.
Rip skin.
Sorry, Chris.
For that, you need to make and it just takes the lightest bit of skin off.
There we go. Manifold's on. Looking sick. TD04. Is it a hybrid, Sean? Just standard TD04 off a Scooby. It'll make about 220 brake. This one will. Good.